Animals sure have big hearts. They remember those who cared for them, even if it's been years. Prepare to see touching moments of animals reuniting with their humans, all caught on camera. Watch as these majestic elephants remember and approach the man who once cared for them. Take a look at this heartwarming moment. This chimpanzee was rescued by this couple, and years later, they return and he can't contain his joy.
Hi, puppy. Lindo. Hi, baby. Say hi, Daddy.
Nurse. Nurse. It's me.
Here's the other one. Who's home?
Oh, get home.
It's a good homecoming.
After a tough time at the vets, this dog can't wait to be back in the loving arms of its owners. Tears and wagging tails, a soldier is welcomed home in the sweetest way by her loyal dog. Take a look at the joy on this chimp's face when its owner finally comes home. Hear these foxes giggle with joy as they are reunited with their favorite keeper.
Excuse me. Hi, Finnegan. Hi, Dixie. Oh my gosh, hi, Finn. Yep.
Coming home for Christmas, this German Shepherd gets the best present of all. After healing from an illness, this dog's reunion with its owner will melt your heart.
Yay. Thank you for coming and getting him. You gotta back up so I can come in. Come here. Come here. I love you.
Is it Daddy?
Are you happy?
Yeah?
Tears of joy, a girl embraces her cat that had gone missing in a touching reunion.
Does it look like this?
I miss you so much.
Hey, scoundrel. Hey, scoundrelly one. Lapo, how you doing? I haven't seen you for ages. Oh, my big fella. Whoa, what a ripper. Hi, big man. I love you, big fella. I've missed you. Hi, have you been? Are you a good boy?
These pups bark in excitement when reunited with their birth mother.
Chief, it's okay. It's okay. Chief, it's okay. It's okay. Chief, it's okay. Chief, it's okay.
Emotions run high as a child's beloved cat returns home after disappearing for months. This owner can't believe her eyes as their missing cat walks back home. Every bark tells a story, just like when this dog's army dad finally returns home.
Grace, did you ever dead? Oh my god.
See, she's crying.
Grace?
I told you.
I know. Grace, did you remember Dad? Honey? Honey? Do you remember Dad?
Dad.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Another army dad returns home to his dog's enthusiastic welcome.
Damn it! You
Oh.
Lost and found. Watch the beautiful moment a missing dog is reunited with its owner.
Who's that? He's back home. We got him. Yeah, he's looking.
Where is it? I don't see.
He's looking. Yeah, go ahead and bring him out. He's hearing you.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That makes me happy. Oh my goodness.
Are you happy? Logan, look. Are you happy?
After being apart for so long, this dog decides to surprise his little friend by picking them up from school.
She found Pixie! Pixie!
Close the door. Close the door so she doesn't get run out.
I knew it was either a surprise for both of us or a surprise for me because it's her birthday.
From shelter to home, this dog howls in happiness as it returns home to its family.
Do you remember where you are?
Come on, Charlie.
Come on then. Come on then.
Wait, he can jump. He can jump up.
Hello.
The bond between animals and humans is unbreakable, so cherish every moment with your furry friends.
What's that?
That's Gunther.
What?
He came back today.
Go check our channel for more videos like this one.
Yeah!
He was meowing at the door today, so I went to the door and I was like, oh my god!
So he did.